unique girl. You're bigger than your Instagram.
What's up guys, it's Alyssa.
Okay, pause right there. The intro that you just watched just then was made by one of my friends, so thank you Helena if you're watching this, and the intro is awesome. Okay, let's get back to the video now.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to get this sort of bronzy sort of makeup look using only drugstore makeup. We don't actually call them drugstores here in Australia, we call them pharmacies, but yeah. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, keep watching. So the first thing I do is I moisturize my face using my Cetaphil moisturizer, because no one likes to have like dry skin when you have makeup on, because that's just not fun. And even if you do have oily skin, I still do recommend to use a moisturizer because there's a difference between oily skin and moisturized skin. So I just put that on. Now that I've moisturized my face, it's time for foundation. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I actually had to use my sister's foundation because I don't have any drugstore foundation. This one is in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm actually not sure if this is going to be my shade or not. Okay, then I'm just getting my damp beauty blender. Believe it or not, this is actually a clean beauty blender. I cleaned it today, but it's like, cleaning beauty blenders are like the hardest thing ever. Like, I can never get all the makeup off it. Okay, so I'm just going into this with my beauty blender and I'm just gonna apply it to my face. I'm gonna make sure to drag it down to my neck because this foundation does seem a little bit dark for me for some reason. Because my sister does have lighter skin than me, so I don't know how this foundation matches her skin tone. Okay, now that we have foundation on, we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer now in the shade Sand Sable. And I don't like to bring it all the way out. This probably looks really weird right now. I don't like to bring it all the way out because I just blend it out anyway. Then getting my damp beauty blender again, we're just going to blend it in. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna use this Thin Lizzy translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna grab this big fluffy brush. I don't know, I'm not very good with brushes. But I'm just gonna put some on the lid, get my brush, and then just set my foundation. Now that we've set our face in place, we're gonna use this Rimmel highlighter, contour and blush sort of repack thing. And I'm just gonna use the contour part of it. So I'm gonna grab this brush here, just gonna go into this one. And I'm going to bronze my face. And then on my jawline. And using the same pack of 3, we're going to use the blush and we're just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. Where's my brush? Okay. Okay, so after that I do my brows, and for that I use the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I used to use this for my daily routine, but now I use, like, if you watch my previous video, now I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Using a little spoolie it comes with, I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows. Then I'm going to go into the wax part and I'm just going to put that on my eyebrows. And then this is basically what I used to do for my brows. I get this eyeshadow palette and I go into this dark shade here and I use that to fill in my brows. Brows literally take forever to do. And I had like a pimple right above my eyebrow and it's really annoying, and I think you can see it on the camera, like I can see it. And it annoys me so much. Okay, after I filled in my eyebrows, I just brush through them again with the little spoolie. And then I use the Brow This Way eyebrow gel by Rimmel and I just brush through my eyebrows with that as well. Okay, so that's it for brows, and now I'm going to be doing eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this Revlon Color Stay Not Just Nudes palette, and I'm going to grab a fluffy brush here and dip into this sort of light brownish shade and use that as a transition shade in my crease. So I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. Okay, so now that's blended in, I'm gonna go into this darker brown shade and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corners, parts of my eyes, outer parts of my eyes. So I'm just gonna start here and I'm gonna drag it in with so like it blends in. Obviously concentrating more of the color on the outside. Okay, so now that that's blended in, I'm just gonna go into this sort of like bronzy, sort of goldy sort of bronze color. I don't know what color it is, but I like it. So I'm just gonna go into this and I'm just gonna put that just like around where, around the same place I put the eyeshadow just before. Here in the middle, like just blending it into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to use this other eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go into this shade, this sparkly sort of shimmery shade right here. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Then I'm going to take another eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip into that light brown shade again. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. I don't know what you call it. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to move on to highlighter. That same Rimmel palette thing and go into the highlighter part of it. So just grabbing this fluffy brush and just putting it on my cheekbones. I'm going to put it on my nose and then on my cupid's bow. I'm also going to put it on the inner corners of my eyes. Now that we've done highlighter, we're going to set our face using the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go setting spray. Okay, now we're going to move on to lashes. And I'm just going to be using the Glam by Manicare lashes, and these are the Jessica lashes. I'm going to put some glue at the back of my hand, and I'm going to grab my lash and dip it into the glue. And then using a pair of tweezers, I'm just going to apply that to my lash line. Okay, now that my lashes are on, we're going to be using the CoverGirl Lash Blast, I don't know, Lash Blast Fusion Mascara to just blend my lashes with the fake ones. I'm also going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. Oh my god, I forgot eyeliner. How can I forget eyeliner? Do you think I can do eyeliner with my eyelashes on? You know, we're going to try. So, the stupid person I am, I forgot to do eyeliner. So, we're going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Precise liquid liner, and yeah, we're gonna try and see if this works with my lashes on. Yeah, that worked. She's definitely not the best, but you know, it worked. So we're gonna do the other eye now. So I somehow managed to do my eyeliner with my lashes on. I don't know how, to be honest, but I did, so yeah. Okay, now we're going to move on to lips, and I'm going to be using the Australis lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips with this. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline, then I'm going to go with the Maybelline New York Color Blur, like lipstick sort of lip color, I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to put that on my lips. And then we're just going to go over that with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And last but not least, we're going to set our face using the same setting spray that we did before. And then we're done. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, just give it a thumbs up anyway. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll put them right here. Put that up for a while so you can like memorize it. Yeah, and they'll also be in the description if you want to go follow me. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and turn post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!